What's up, beautiful people? Another day, another study. Nicotinamide is a derivative of vitamin B3. In a previous phase 3 randomized controlled trial from 2015, reported a reduction in the rate of new non-melanoma skin cancers in people who had previously had skin cancer with nicotinamide administration. That study was 1,500 milligrams twice a day. Now, these types of skin cancers mainly arise from UV damage to the skin, which is why it is important to wear sunscreen if you are out in the sun for too long, and depending on your skin tone, how much, and yada, yada, yada. But anyway, excess UV exposure damages DNA, impairs skin cells immunity, impairs DNA repair, and depletes cellular ATP. Nicotinamide is a cofactor for ATP synthesis, and it's believed that by administering nicotinamide, it enhances cellular energy production and supports the restoration of DNA repair and cellular immunity. So this study was a retrospective analysis from BA data where they looked at people who were on at least 500 milligrams twice a day of nicotinamide for 30 days or longer. And overall, compared to matched controls, there was a 14% reduction in the rate of new skin cancers after nicotinamide administration. And when they broke it down by skin cancer type, basal cell versus squamous cell, there was no benefit for reducing basal cell overall, but there was a 22% reduction in squamous cell carcinoma. And then when they looked at when did they initiate? So often people who have one of these develop more in the future. If the nicotinamide was administered after the first skin cancer, there was nearly a 50% reduction. And then this dropped off if it was initiated later on after someone had developed more skin cancers. So early administration seems to be key here. Another key area of the study was it did not show nicotinamide could potentiate cancer growth or metastasis. That was a concern based upon mechanism of action, but this wasn't seen in this study or the previous randomized. About nicotinamide is in the previous RCT, there was no adverse effects that were significantly different than the control, than the placebo. And if people do have adverse effects, they're usually gastrointestinal. So that's a good sign. Have you had a non-melanoma skin cancer? Has your dermatologist put you on nicotinamide? Let us know down below.